North Carolina House continues to work on their version of the state budget. The indications that they'll have it first week of August, it'll probably be public. Once the House passes their budget, of course, then they'll get together with the Senate and probably the governor's office to begin negotiations on the final version of the budget. The House has passed a fairly comprehensive energy bill that has been negotiated almost for the entire year between the electric companies and some of the larger manufacturers and the solar companies, some renewable energy companies. So the House passed that. The Senate will probably take it up in the next couple weeks. Right now, both chambers are actually on a break this week. The House will come in for Monday and Tuesday, but then they'll be out the rest of the week. The Senate doesn't have any floor votes scheduled for this week at all. The House has been concentrating a lot on finishing up their version of the proposed budget, and so that has limited some of the debate time that they've had on the floor. The Senate has worked on a few issues, but mainly they're in wait mode at the moment for the House to get done with their budget so they can wrap that up. And then that and the energy bill, there's a couple other high-level items that they would like to wrap up, but it's really the budget is what's controlling the schedule at the moment. And once they get through that, they'll likely wrap everything up and finish for this long session, knowing that they'll still have to come back in the fairly near term and work on redistricting.